Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla. Today I'm going to teach you ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is launched by OpenAI. So how to use and how super easily initiate this ChatGPT to ask your questions, I'll teach you a very simple and super easy tips now. Let's see. Go to Google and hit ChatGPT. Yes. By seeing here, you will identify the first link openai.com. So ChatGPT optimizing language model for dialogue engine. How you will search the Google for getting some query response and answers. Using this ChatGPT, you will get more accurate. See, ChatGPT is launched by OpenAI in November 2022, which is built on top of OpenAI GPT-3 family of language model. So, and it's fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement language techniques which are already applied over here. And to how to create an account and how to launch a simple your own ChatGPT like an AI tool. Yes, click here for the first link, and whenever you feel comfortable time, you just go through it and try ChatGPT. Yes, when you see this icon and logo of welcome to ChatGPT, first you need to, if you are not done with the registration, you need to go for sign up. Yes, it's a very super easy. How? Using Gmail account and Microsoft account, if anyone, you just go through it directly, or else you need to have any other email. You just here fill the blank, and I'm not a robot, click it and continue. I have a Google account. So what I am trying to doing, and I have a registered here, so I am choosing a login option. Once the sign up is done, you need to go for login and click login. Go for, if you are using Google, go for Google option and give your Gmail account. Yes, once you did it, see, it's automatically taking a login option and it's like logged in. What a great. Now the ChatGPT, and if you want to ask any question to your AI tool, yes, let's create a resume for web design, like web development or web design or freelance, whatever it you want. DEVELOPER as fresher. Just click the message. Let's see. I just ask my ChatGPT AI tool to prepare my resume as a web developer as a fresher. So it is preparing my resume. I'm not given any instructions over here. Just I ask a question, create a resume for web developers as a fresher. If you are having experience, how many years and what the roles, if you specifying, it will regenerate for your purpose. See, education, bachelor science in computer, university or school, technical skills, what you need to know, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Git. So many. These are the few examples only I am giving you here. And the project also you need to specify, and experience what you are having, and hobbies. See, request like references are available upon request. So once you take this copy of format and put in your Word document, and make sure to master of any skill using this ChatGPT. I hope it's a super easy lecture for you. For more interesting video lectures, please do subscribe now. Thank you.